The lecture is on software engineering. Myself, K. Aruna Kumari, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Sagi Ramakrishnam Raju Engineering College, Bhimavaram. The objectives of this lecture are the reasons why software engineering has emerged. We have defined software engineering, finding out the significance of software engineering, understanding the layered technology that is followed in software engineering. In the previous lecture, The Nature of Software, we identified the problems in software and why software engineering field has emerged. We shall discuss them in detail. Software development is hard in the sense that the development process of a software is complex. First, one should be able to distinguish the system for which software to be developed, whether it is easy or hard. Software for limited users and requiring a single developer or development for the purpose of experimentation come under easy systems. Software for multiple users requiring multiple developers and if they are products to be delivered come under hard systems. Taking into consideration the experiences of a easy system may mislead as one person techniques does not scale up. For example, building a bridge over a stream that requires only one person and easy may not be useful when building a bridge over a river. The process of constructing a bridge and writing a program is compared in the given table. Coming to constructing a bridge, the problem is well understood, and coming to writing a program, only some parts of the problem are understood, others are not. There are many existing bridges to be considered as an example while constructing a bridge. But every program is different and designed for special applications. The requirement for a bridge typically do not change much during construction, whereas requirements typically change during all phases of software development or writing a program for it. The strength and stability of a bridge can be calculated with reasonable precision. This is not possible to calculate correctness of a program with existing methods. When a bridge collapses, there is a detailed investigation and report that can be carried out. When a program fails, the reasons are often unavailable or even deliberately concealed. Engineers have been constructing bridges for thousands of years, whereas developers have been writing programs for 50 years or so. Materials like wood, stone, iron, steel, and techniques for making the joints in wood, carving stone, casting iron change slowly, but whereas hardware and software changes rapidly. The other major problem for software is the size, which is measured in terms of number of lines of source code. Considering different system software like operating systems, for example, K desktop environment KDE, Unix operating system and Windows Vista contain 1.8 million, 4 million and 50 million lines of code respectively. Developing software which is large in size is complex. Software engineering is about managing this complexity. Software development questions. The following are the questions that remained as a challenge in the software development process. Why does it take so long to get software finished? Why are development costs so high? Why can't we find all errors before giving software to customer? Why do we spend so much time and effort maintaining existing programs? Why do we have difficulty in measuring progress as software is being developed and maintained? As an answer to the above questions, a new insight is demanded to follow some systematic process for the development of software, which is called as software engineering. Software engineering is an engineering discipline which is concerned with all aspects of software production. Software engineers should adapt a systematic and organized approach to their work, use appropriate tools and techniques depending on the problem to be solved, the development constraints, and the resources available. The definitions given in the textbook is Software engineering is the establishment and use of sound engineering principles in order to obtain economically software that is reliable and works efficiently on real machines. The next definition, which is given by IEEE, is as follows. Software engineering is defined in two parts. Coming to the first part, it is the application of a systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of software, that is, the application of engineering to software. The second part is the study of approaches as in the first part. In the table below, frequently asked questions, FAQs about software and software engineering are listed. The first question comes is, what is software, which we have already discussed. Software is nothing but it is a collection of computer programs, the instructions for executing those programs, and the detailed documentation for that product. What are the attributes of good software? Good software should deliver the required functionality and performance to the user and should be maintainable, dependable, and reusable. What is software engineering? Software engineering is an emerging discipline that is concerned with all aspects of software production. What is the difference between software engineering and computer science? Computer science focuses on theory and fundamentals, whereas software engineering is concerned with the practicalities of developing and delivering useful software. The last question, what is the difference between software engineering and system engineering? System engineering is concerned with all aspects of computer-aided systems development, including hardware, software, and process engineering. Software engineering is part of this more general process. Software engineering is a layered technology as shown in the figure. Any engineering approach, including software engineering, must rest on the organizational commitment to quality. Total quality management, Six Sigma, and similar philosophies foster a continuous process improvement culture, and it is this culture that ultimately leads to the development of increasingly more effective approaches to software engineering. The bedrock that supports software engineering is a quality focus. The foundation for software engineering is the process layer. The software engineering process is the glue that holds the technology layers together and enables rational and timely development of computer software. Process defines a framework that must be established for effective delivery of software engineering technology. The software process forms the basis for management, control of software projects, and establishes the context in which technical methods are applied. Work products like models, documents, data, report, forms, etc. are produced, milestones are established, quality is ensured, and change is properly managed. Software engineering methods provide the technical how-tos for building software. Methods encompass a broad array of tasks that include communication, requirement analysis, design modeling, program construction, testing, and support. Software engineering methods rely on a set of basic principles that govern each area of the technology and include modeling activities and other descriptive techniques. Software engineering tools provide automated or semi-automated support for the process and the methods. When tools are integrated so that information created by one tool can be used by another, a system for the support of software development called computer-aided software engineering case tools is established. To summarize, the reasons for emerging a new field, software engineering, are software is hard, software concepts of a easy product may not scale for difficult products, software is complex in terms of size. We define software engineering, which is part of a computer science in which several kinds of method, thoughts, and techniques used for getting the high quality software and computer programs with minimum cost, completing in given time, and continuous production. We can judge the usefulness of the software engineering with the importance of its attributes. The basic target of software engineering is to provide the high quality software which can be delivered on given time, within budget, and that fulfills the need. Software engineering follows a layered technology in which the bottom layer focuses on quality, above which there is a process layer which glues the technologies to be used to maintain the quality, developed in time and within budget using different methods and tools. It is necessary to produce a high quality software to fulfill the below given points like consistency, improved quality, minimum cost, within time, reliability and fulfilling the needs of the user. Thank you.